Hi everyone, it's Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. I am just dropping by really quickly with this video. It should be like 2 minutes here, but I forgot to show this in my what I'm working on video that I just uploaded. So I am showing it now. But anyway, it's still Saturday morning, and I did a video on how I do my paper dyeing the other day, and I wanted to show you the results of this one because I was my goal was maybe to try, if I can, if that's possible, to do like a faux avocado dyed look. So I don't know if I achieved it. I have no idea because I don't have any avocado dyed paper. But anyway, whatever I achieved, it came out really pretty. So I was going to show you. You saw my mixture, and there was quite a few drops of, I just used what I had, food coloring that I had. I put, I filled that little container with water, or put it halfway up, I think it was actually. Put some drops in there of pink. I didn't have any red, so I used pink and orange to make that color. And let me show you the first batch I did. This is the first batch. Okay, and it came out kind of like coffee dyed paper. It's just kind of brownish looking, which, I will certainly use these. I love coffee dyed paper, and I love the shading on these, but it wasn't what I was going for. So the next night I put more drops in of the pink and orange food coloring. So here's all the brownish ones that look like coffee dyed paper, and here's the stack that has more color. So let me show you the graph paper first. This one came out really pretty, I think. And I don't want to mess up my focus. It seems to be very sensitive, but moving around too much. But I think they came out really pretty. You can see the shading on these. Like, this is the side I probably put the color on, and then it goes through to the other side. So really beautiful shading, and when you put these in a journal, they look so pretty. So, I mean, it came out on the other side, and some on both sides, but there's some like yellowish colors over here. So whatever I achieved, I like the colors. Whether they look like avocado dyed paper or not, I don't know, but I just love these colors. So, I guess the main point is just don't be afraid to experiment with your whatever you use for your coffee dyeing or your dyeing of, colors of papers, because, it's just, no matter what color comes out, it just is cool and pretty. So those are the graph papers. And then I had dyed some smaller, these are little papers I got from a notebook that I took apart, a little old notebook that I had found somewhere, thrift store, whatever, yard sale, wherever I got it. And so, like, this is the first batch right here. I had done a bunch with the lighter shade. So you can see they do have, this one has a slight peachy look. And then, they are colored. These actually have, maybe this paper is different, and it just has a very, very light peachy look. I mean, if you look at them, you don't really know what color they are. Like, what color is that? Almost like coffee dye, but you can kind of see a slight peach color in these. And then this is the darker color where I added more drips of my food coloring. So you can see how pretty these came out. Where I left splotches, you could see how pretty that came out. And, that side looks like that. So just really cool. Everyone is different pretty much, I would say. So I just wanted to show you these, how pretty they came out real quick. And I even like this one. I know it's kind of crazy looking, but when you put that in a journal, it's just going to look like, it almost looks like, what do I want to say, watercolor paint. It's not, so to me, it kind of looks like watercolor paint, or almost like, somebody was trying to do some mixed media. So, that could be a really good base for somebody to do some something else with when it's in a journal. So, or just write on it, you know. It would be pretty just to write on there or add a picture on the top of that. That would be cool. So I just wanted to show you those real quick. So this is not a long video, and get ready to do my book journal flip throughs. So thanks for watching. See you next time.